bit breezy on the dock this morning. And the boat's nicely moored up on my berths. Took a walk down the pontoon. Apparently there are a lot of Pacific oysters that seeded here. I think you can see them there. That structure there. But unfortunately, apparently the water temperature rose to over 20 degrees and it's triggered a virus which has killed them all. Some over there, they're all dead, unfortunately. Here is Llanelin. So we're tied up well. Put that extra spring line on in anticipation of storm flurries. Everything looks in order there. So let's go aboard and see what we can find. To haul from. And we're going to call here at Tim's to get the diesel fuel tank. So just fed the return and the fuel line through. That comes through there. This is where the tank's going to go back to. It's been mounted on there. And it's going to sit up there. I've just painted and that's that. So it is ready to go back in. So John and I are going to do that now. Here on the dockside. At Great Grimsby, or a sunny Great Grimsby. Okay, we've got the fuel tank relocated, and as we can see the engine's working. Plenty of water coming out there. The fuel tank is relocated where it should be, and there's no visible leaks or anything. So I need to put but then arrange some load. I'll come back on Friday and give it another run. That's the job well done. I use this as the diesel bug treatment. Very, very small amount. 1 mil, because I put 10 litres of diesel in the tank. So
I actually put 20 litres, which then meets the 2000 to 100 mil ratio.
Well, she's only done 100 hours, so let's leave it there. Come back again on Friday.